Hi guys, I'm going to be showing you this video, and my name is Tessa Marcella. I'm going to be showing you how to put this thing together. It's called a bulldozer. Okay. So first you get this kind of piece.
Okay, Joey, you
and then you
I'm a backhoe.
Put it up.
Oops, I'm straight.
Joey, why don't you help your sister in the video?
Dad, did you want me to help you?
But first, I have a special guest. It's Joey.
Me? Yeah, Tessa, I need to do my video when I'm done with this video.
Okay.
You know why? Hold on to the screws.
Joey's gonna hold on to the screws. Wait, am I doing this right?
Tessa, I do the wheels and you do the part.
Okay, that sounds fair.
Daddy, do you remember this thing that comes off?
Uh-huh.
This thing that goes in the back and comes right off. I did not know that.
Okay.
And then put your finger right there. Here you want to gas.
Once you feel bumped, that means it's time. That means it's good.
That's the wrong way.
Oops.
Wait. You get a loop.
Okay.
No, you do this. Now you go this way. Like that. You slide right down like that.
Oh, okay.
You just put it way up.
And you see these buttons here? You press the top one to screw in. You press the bottom one to screw out.
Cause I sold it Tessa.
Okay. Now this piece is the top that where the driver goes in. I don't know which one's the top.
This one is the top.
Yeah, I know. I mean for this. Like, oh, it's this way. No,
it goes
okay. It's this way?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. And another one? Okay.
It can drive the other way when it's backing up.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, cause it doesn't go that way. It goes the other way cause when you put it this way, it wiggles around.
It can fit perfectly here. Oh, can you hand me the screwdriver?
I got 3 more left. I got 2 more. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Got 1, 2,
Now Joy's going to do the
3,
wheels.
4. Okay, I do the wheels. Put it right in.
And
give
then
me
Joy's
the
going
screw.
to. I'm going to be handing Joy these. I'm putting them on for Joy. In the next video, we're going to be doing a video of a backhoe.
Yeah, we're gonna do a.
Joey's going to be doing his own video.
Wait out.
You know we can do it. And, okay, over. I accidentally broke.
I've always done do it like that. I started doing that looks like me that screw right like that. It did.
Okay. You can use your hands.
Like really dog.
That's for fun.
Usually time is crazy, you kidding me. Usually times are really late. It's going around. It was going around.
Now show it.
Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoy
this video.
This is my second video. Bye.
Bye.